So you're ready to get started making a YouTube channel. And the question you probably have to get started from the basic level is, how do I create a Google account for starting a YouTube channel? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this step-by-step guide about how to create a Google account for starting a YouTube channel. There will be on-screen instructions, and we'll get to that in just a moment. Having a Google account for your YouTube channel can do much more for you than you think. It can give you a Gmail account with the name of your channel, much like mine, turbothetechnerd@gmail.com, where I can log in to access so many free services that Google offers, like Google Docs, where I can write and edit my scripts, copy titles, tags, and keywords, edit descriptions, all for use here on my YouTube channel. I can also use it to log into my YouTube account to see my videos, analytics on those videos, and of course, upload my videos to my YouTube channel, much like I do for this very channel. The reason I prefer a primary Google account is that everything ends up in that inbox is directly related to my website, turbothetechnerd.com, and the aptly named same channel title of the one you're on now, Turbo the Tech Nerd. So let's get your Google account turbocharged so that you can start learning how to make and upload videos to the YouTube channel that you're about to create in this step-by-step series that covers everything you need to know to get started with a new YouTube channel and set it up the best that you can to help you grow your channel faster and look professional doing it. I'm Turbo the Tech Nerd, and let's crush this YouTube thing together. Let's get right to this and stop wasting time. Open a web page and go to gmail.com. You don't need an incognito window like I have, because when I'm not incognito, it tries to sign me in automatically, and I want you to see on my screen, hopefully, what you see on your screen. And this is a pretty easy process to get your Google account to start your YouTube channel. But if you get lost or fall behind, simply rewind and play the parts you missed again. Simply rewind and play the parts you missed again, or pause while you catch up. Okay, so now that you've opened gmail.com, it should have brought you to a page that looks similar to this. There are two ways that we can begin to create our account. On the left-hand side, we see a blue button, and in the top right, we see a blue button. Both of them say the same thing: create an account. So pick your poison, select one, and click it, and here's the beginning of it. So you're gonna have to enter your first and last name. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna enter your first and last name. So it's created TechNerd Turbo for me because I already own turbothetechnerd@gmail.com, but I'm gonna create this one as a secondary email address where people can email me and ask me personal questions or questions for help, as opposed to business related questions for my YouTube channel. So I'm going to allow that one. You can put whatever name you want inside of this box. There is an option to use your own email address. I don't recommend that you do that because you want everything to match and be the same so that you have a cohesive channel, so that when you start tagging yourself in the channel, which is going to be in a later video, that everything is going to align itself and give you more SEO on your YouTube channel. So you're going to type in a password here and then retype in a password and then click next. So the next thing that's going to happen here is it's going to open this box. I'll just blur out my phone number here and my recovery email address. So if you have a second email address or a main email address, you can use that as part of your recovery. So I'm going to use my business email address and then put in your day of birth. And you can choose to say whether you're male or female, or not say, or be custom. I mean, there's a lot of new things going on in the world, so be what you want to be, and then click next. So the next thing it says is it's going to send me a text message with a 6-digit verification code. So go ahead and click send. Now you're going to wait for your phone to send you the message, and you're going to enter your one-time code in the box. Then click verify. Now that's just verify that you are indeed a real person. It's using your phone number so that it can give you new information. Click yes, I'm in. Now you're going to come to the terms of service. I do recommend that you always read the terms of service. I have read these so many times that it makes me want to vomit. So I'm going to go ahead and agree. So after just a few moments, it's brought me straight to my Gmail inbox. And you'll notice that in the top right-hand corner, you'll see your Google account. And you can manage your Google account, add another account if you so choose. But this is all of the things that it opens up for you once you have your Gmail account or a Google account. So you can use all of these items in here for free. Now you'll also notice that it opened a YouTube tab. We'll get to that in the next video of this series of at least 20 videos. I'm Turbo the Tech Nerd, and if you got real value in this video and are on the right steps to creating a YouTube channel, I really hope that you'll hit the subscribe button, but more importantly, comment and give me a thumbs up so that it gives me incentive to keep going. I really appreciate you being here. Thanks for joining me. Turbo out.